everyone, my name is Haman. Thank you for coming to my channel. In this video we're creating this beautiful look. So if you guys interested that how I create this look, please watch the video till the end, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and please leave your comment below that how you finding the video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'm going to prep my face. I'm using this moisturizer from Antipodes. This one is really good for the sensitive skin, and after applying a moisturizer I'm going to moisturize my lips as well, so then my face will be all ready for the makeup. And the foundation that I'm using today, it's from the Estée Lauder and the shade is 3 and 2. This foundation is really good for the coverage, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, and then with the help of my fingers I'm going to spread the foundation everywhere. So after applying the foundation, I'm taking this wet sponge and I'm going to blend my foundation. So make sure that you blend your foundation properly, otherwise you will get the cakey look and it will not gonna look good. I'm using the L'Oreal face powder just to set my foundation. So now I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm using this palette from the Makeup Revolution, and I'm using this dark shade, and I'm only applying a little bit because I just want to give that natural finish. So now we're moving to the highlighter, and the highlighter I'm using today, it's from Milani and the shade is 02. I'm just using the highlighter on the high ends, like on my nose, on my cupid and on my chin, wherever I just want to give that that sharp look. So I'm just using all those areas. So now we're using the blush, and it's from Milani and the shade is 05. I'm just going to use on my cheeks. So now it's time to set our makeup, and for that I'm using a Maybelline setting spray. I'm going to spray all over on my face, and after that I'm just taking a same sponge and just to set in. So now we're moving to the eyes, and I'm using Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to use these two shades today. And the brush that I'm using, it's from Chi Professional, and I'm using the fluffy one because I find with these fluffy brushes it's very easy to blend the shades. So I'm taking that dark peachy one, and I'm just applying the outer corner, and I'm just blending in. And after that I'm taking the shimmery shade. I'm just applying with the help of my finger because I find it's very easy. And after that I'm just going to take the brush and just make sure that I blend those two colors in together. And now it's time for the other eye, and now our eyes are done. So now I'm using the L'Oreal kajal pencil. I'm only applying the inner side of the eyelid. I feel my eyes looks bigger like that, and I'm using the Maybelline mascara. I really like this mascara because it gives the volume and the length to my eyelashes, and I always use this mascara. So now I'm going to use the lip liner, and it's from Wet n Wild. And after lining my lips, I'm going to apply the lipstick on, and the brand called Milani, and it's very matte lipstick, and it stay on your lips for a long time. And today I'm using the fake lashes, and it's from Chi. This is the first time I'm using these lashes, and let's see how it goes. So now it's time for the jewelry, and I'm wearing these two beautiful long earrings. and I really love wearing jewelry. And along with that, I'm wearing these two bangles just to enhance the beauty of this Punjabi look. So now it's time for the hair. I straightened my hair before, so now I'm just going to take a little section and I'm just going to roll that in and just clip it in. If you want to do something more, you can put the curls in. That will look really nice. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I will come back in another video very soon. Thank you.